What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today has finally come. Today is the day that we get a chance to take a look at the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So this was sent over to me by Team Pixel. So hashtag Team Pixel, hashtag made by Google, hashtag gift from Google. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. I'm super hyped, super excited, and I can hardly hold myself back. So this is the box that they send this over to us in. As you guys see, it's got the Google logo there. Now I'm going to attempt to show you what this box looks like inside of it. So when you first open this up, you're going to see a picture of this guy up here, a lady over there, and showing the temperature. And then at the bottom here, I'm going to have to try to hold this back with my fingers. It says Google Pixel 6 Pro. So this is part of the Team Pixel unboxing experience right here. This is awesome. So when you lift this up, then you're going to see a nice note that they sent out explaining some stuff there. And then you're going to have the Google Pixel 6 Pro in here. And you're going to have a case as well. So they sent me out the Sorta Sunny device and a case. So I'm going to get rid of this box and we're going to unbox this stuff and take a look at it. Let's go. All right, guys, so I have all of that stuff out of the way. Now we're left with the Google Pixel 6 Pro. As you guys see, there's a nice picture of the device on there. Sorta Sunny is the name of this device. It's got this kind of a yellow or gold color down here with a pinkish looking color according to the box. So you got your nice picture. On the top, you're going to have your Google logo. You got your Google wording here with a kind of a gold color there. And then Pixel 6 Pro on this side. Hashtag Team Pixel. And they did send me out the 128 gigabyte version. So a few of the specs on this real quick. There's so many. I'm just going to pick out a few of them. This is going to have a 6.7 inch display. QHD 1440 by 3120, 512 ppi. This features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Also comes out of the box with Android 12. You're going to have always on, at a glance, and now playing. The weight on it is going to be 7.41 ounces or 212 grams. The processors, the Google Tensor processor and the Titan M2 security coprocessor. Now your cameras, you're going to have a front-facing camera that's 11.1 megapixels. It has a 94-degree ultra-wide field of view, so you're going to be able to get a bunch of people in the picture. It can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second. Now your rear-facing cameras, you're going to have a 50-megapixel wide. You're going to have a 48-megapixel telephoto and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. These can shoot up to 4K. All types of features and details with that. So many, I'm not going to get into it. But a few things it's got is the magic eraser where you can get rid of unwanted things in the background. You got face unblur and you got real tones, which is a game changer for people of different colors, color tones. Then it's going to be able to accurately get the color tones of your skin, which is great. You got a 5,003 milliamp battery that can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. This features Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 802.11. You're going to get 5 years of updates on this. This is IP68 water and dust resistant. This will come in 128 gigabytes, 256 and 512. Also, besides the Sorta Sunny, you can get this in cloud white and stormy black. Few of the features and details, you can go and look up more if you need, because there's a bunch more. We got some pull tabs here. And it is time, guys. It is time to see it in person and not on the picture. So let's get this box open. Let me make sure I'm still recording, because here we go. Woo! Here it is. So there's the color in comparison to the box. I hope my camera is doing a decent job here. So it's a little bit darker in person here. Woo, let me pick it up and put it over to the side. That is gorgeous, man. Wow. So inside, you're going to get your charging cable, little OTG device there. I think that's called, little adapter. And you got some paperwork in here as well. No brick, but we're getting used to that now. Set that over to the side. Woo! And here it is. So initially, it doesn't feel heavy. It feels great in the hand. Look at that camera. Woo! It has a kind of a gold tone going around here. I know my camera's probably not doing it justice here, but let's go ahead and pull this off. And there it is. Woo, man, super excited. Here it is, just a beautifully crafted device. Has that subtle curve to the display here. And on the top of it, you do have kind of a color shift right here. If you guys can see, I don't know if you can see that, hopefully. And then coming around the sides, you got it looks like a gold color there. Now you do have your power button, volume up and down. Little antenna bands are there. And then on the bottom, you got your speaker, microphone, and charging port right there. And then on this side, there isn't anything. You do have your SIM card tray right here. And then on the back, you got your camera array. So this thing is absolutely gorgeous. You got your Google logo right there. And this is definitely a nice looking device. Feels great in the hand. And great size. So let me do a little comparison to the device that I have that's close to this size, and it would be my Note 20 Ultra. So if you had the Note 20 Ultra, these are pretty much the same size devices. Pretty much the same size. Note may be a little bit taller, but they're about the same exact width. So that's what you're gonna get. And about weight is probably about the same size. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and power this up. And I'm going to get it to the start screen. And I'll show you guys that. And that's about as far as we're allowed to show you. But yeah, man, the Google Pixel 6 Pro. I'm going to put my information in and come right back. All right, guys. So we're back in. I have it to the start screen. This is about far as we're allowed to show you. But I did change the light up a little bit in here. So maybe get you guys a chance to see the color of this device as it looks into my eyes. Hopefully the camera's doing a better job. But this is really, really nice, man. You got this gold color going around here, and it follows around your cameras there. And this is kind of a pinkish color, I would say. But it's absolutely gorgeous, man. I love the color of this device. And now that I have it in hand, I'm thinking this is probably the best color, best looking color out of all of them that I saw. And as you see the wallpaper, this is straight out of the box. I didn't change the wallpaper up or anything, but just absolutely beautiful, man. I can't wait to show you guys some more stuff about this and dig into it myself. So hashtag made by Google, hashtag gift from Google, hashtag Team Pixel, wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.